Hello, this is review for Mr. Kenzie's integrated algebra class. This is going to be a work day of a lot of the skills that we've been discussing over the last few weeks. For number one, you're going to be solving. So you're going to distribute that negative first, combining like terms on the same side, then combine like terms on opposite side by using the opposite operation, and then solving. For number two, you're going to set this equal to 0, and you're going to factor this by difference of perfect squares. You'll get two solutions. Number three, this is absolute value. For absolute value, as you remember, it's equidistant from 0. There are two numbers or terms that are the same distance from 0. So you have to solve the first equation as is. The second one, you'll negate the 4 and solve. For number 4, we're going to be solving this inequality. Remember, when you divide by a negative with inequalities, you flip the sign. Numbers 5, 6, and 7 are what we talked about yesterday. The discriminant, it says find that. You're going to set it equal to 0. And the discriminant comes from what's underneath the radical in the quadratic formula. So that's the b squared minus 4ac. Number 6, you're going to find the product of the roots. Remember, product is c over a. For sum, once again, that is negative b over a. Let's turn to the next page. You have a multiple choice question where it says the roots are. So you're going to use the discriminant and then describe what those are. So once again, discriminant, what's underneath the radical in the quadratic formula, b squared minus 4ac. Then you're going to solve graphically. Now I started doing this. You have a line and a parabola. First thing, I subtracted 1 to get y alone. You're going to state the slope and y-intercept, graph it over here. For the quadratic, you have to find the axis of symmetry. So there's the formula. So I found that. So there's your turning point. Negative b over 2a. So when you simplify that, you will get 2. So there's your turning point. You're going to want to take 4 values that are greater than and 4 values that are less than. You can use your calculator or do it by hand. You will then graph both of these and find the 2 points of intersection. Thank you.